Today I want to go over Project 13 arrays and text files. This question number 1 says, given array string names 10 and text file data.txt, write program to do the following. We want to copy data from the file into array names. We want to display array names. We want to sort array names using sort member of algorithm library. We want to display the sorted form of array names using display names. We have these names. We have Jose, Turkey, Catalin, different names here. So for question 1, we define an array of 10 names. This names is an array of size 10. We call the copy data. This copy data takes name of a file, which is a text file. It takes names, which names is an array of strings, and size, which size is 10. In the copy data, we have different arguments. So this file name is a pointer, is a constant pointer to character. This string is an array of, this names is an array of string. This size is an integer. We define an instance of if is string. So we say if is string file name. If we couldn't open the file, if not file is open, we display could not open the file. And then we exit. We can define integer variable I, initialize it with 0. We write a while I is less than size, and we read names I from the file. This is for reading. It means as long as I can read, I add to the I. If I is not equal to size, we say file size is not accurate, we exit, and then we close. So this code means as long as I can read from the file, I read from the file and I put the data inside this array, which the array names as names. I have an array of strings. As long as I can read, I keep adding to my I, and then I load the data into the array. We call display names. We pass this array there and size. Display names takes an array of strings. It takes a size, which is an integer. We write a for loop. We go from 0 to the size. We display every element inside the array. This function will iterate one by one. It will print all of the elements of the array one by one. So when we call the sort, we pass names and names plus size. Size is 10. Names is the name of the array. If I pass names and names plus size, I'm calling this sort function, and I'm trying to sort this array. When I call display names, names size, displays names will display the data. If I run this program, if I go to the output, I have display names, and then I have the sorted names, which you can see they are sorted alphabetical. We have A, C, D, H, J, M, S, and T. So by calling this a sort function, we're sorting the array, starting names, names plus 10. I mean, I want to go until the 10th element, and I want to sort them. This names is an array of size 10. It means I want to sort the array alphabetically, and then I want to display the data. If you look at question 2 says, given array A7, 9, 11, 15, 7, 20, 30, and 26. Display array using display array A7. Find max and min using the find max min function. Find the average of data in array using find average. Sort and display the sorted array using sort function. So if we want to finish this lab, we need to define these functions. We have an array of size 7. We have 9, 11, 15, 7, 20, 30, and 26. If I call display array on A7, it will display the original numbers I have in the array, which is 9, 11, 15, 7, 20, 30, and 26. I call the find max min. I'm passing the array. I'm passing 7, max and min. If I go to the find max min, I have an array of size, and then I have max and min. I put ampersand here because I want to make them pass by reference. I initialize the max with the first element in the array. I initialize the min with the first element in the array. I have a for loop. I go from the second one to the last one. I compare each element with max. If each element is greater than the max, I will replace the max with that element. I compare each element with the min. If each element is less than min, I will replace the min with that element. For the find average, I have this array, which is a constant array of type integer. I have this size, which the size is an integer. I define sum, I initialize it with 0. I have a for loop that I go from the first one to the last one. I keep adding every element in my array to the sum. If I cast sum to float, and if I divide it by size, then I can find the average. I returned the result of casting sum to the float and the result of division of sum by size. So if I call this display max, min, average, it will display max, min, and average. If I call display array A7, it will display my array. If I call sort A and A plus 7, it will sort this array, which the array is size of 7. So if I run this program and I look at my output, you can see it will show this is the sorted form of array A, which is 7, 9, 11, 15, 20, 26, and 30. I want you guys to finish this lab.